Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with some congruency, and it's going to be specifically on triangles. Now, we've been given the question in triangle ABC, DE, okay, so D and E are points on this line BC such that BD is equal to EC and AD is equal to AE. Now, in the first question, it's a fairly tricky question. They've said to us, why is BE, so BE, equal to CD? So let's try and explain this before we put it into maths. Do you notice that BC is a common line, okay? It's a common line that BE and CD sort of share. Now, another thing you should notice is if we look at BE, BE is the full line of BC minus EC. Now, if we look at CD, which is this part, CD is the full line minus BD. But we know that BD and EC are equal to each other. So if we subtract the same distance from either side to generate two lines, then those lines must be the same size. Now, I'm going to put this in mathematics. Right, so we can say that BC, which is the full line, minus EC is equal to BE. We can also say that BC minus BD is equal to CD. But the very important thing is that that and that are equal to each other. So we can say, but EC is equal to BD. Therefore, BE must equal CD. Right. Moving on to the next question. Which triangle is congruent to triangle ABE? So they're talking about this triangle over here, ABE. Okay. So we've said that BE is equal to CD, and we've also got that AD is equal to AE. So therefore, it must be true that triangle, and we're looking at ABE, so we've said triangle ABE must be congruent. Now let's have a look at the lines. So AB, we've got this line over here, okay, that line over there, which must be equal to AC. So we're going to write triangle AC, because remember, it's very important the way you write the triangle out. Then let's look at BE. So we've got BE over there, must be equal to CD. So that would mean that ACD is the triangle that ABE is congruent to, or congruent with. And let's have a look. So ACD is this triangle over there, and that looks more or less the same size as that one. Remember, congruent means they are exactly the same shape in size and in angles. That's all from me, guys. Thanks so much for joining us. Very special thank you to our sponsors for making this video possible. Remember to check out our website for more of these epic tutorials. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send the question to us and we'll respond with a personalized video. Until the next time, stay epic.